Hello friends, you're welcome to Florence Abosede YouTube channel. On this day we are going to answer question for National Examination Council 2025 Basic Education Certificate Examination. This 2025 exam, the question is based on orthographic projection. Read the instructions and do your questions as neat as it should, because there is award for good draughtsmanship. Question 1 says, on the drawing sheet provided, draw the border lines and title block showing the following information. This is my drawing sheet and this is my border line. Border line is also known as margin line. After drawing your border line, draw your title block. The question says, on the sheet, draw the border line title block showing the following informations. The information that should be on your title block are: 1. Your name. You will write name, put your name. School name, write school, put the school. Registration number, write number, put your number. Scale, write the scale and the date. Question B says, figure 4.1 is an isometric block with front elevation in the direction of arrow T. This block is drawn in isometric block. You can see the limit and arrow T. This is arrow T showing the front elevation. In a simple way for you to draw the elevation of this projection is look at the arrow. On this block, what shape can you see? You can just take your sheet of paper somewhere and sketch the kind of shape you can see for the front elevation. The plan, what shape can you see? And the end elevation, which is the side, what shape can you see? It's as simple as that. Now, what you can do now is, after writing your names and every other thing, you draw your principal plane. In orthographic projection, that is what we call principal plane of isometric projection, and of photographic projection, and we have the principal view of orthographic projection. So far, this question says a first angle projection, using first angle projection. In first angle projection, the principal view of first angle projection is front and end elevation at the horizontal plane and plan at the vertical plane of the principal plane of orthographic projection. The question also says draw to full scale. That is the reason why on the title block here you write full scale. No enlargement, no reduction. You are drawing to full scale, which means whatever the dimension given you here, you will measure the same thing. Alright? And question 1 says, the following views in showing the major dimensions: front elevation, the plan, and the end elevation. Now, let's go to, I sketch it somewhere here. The front elevation and the end elevation go together at the horizontal plane of your the principal plane of orthographic projection, whereby the plan stays at the vertical plane of principal plane of orthographic projection, and the view is front and end together, whereby the plan is down. Okay, according to what I sketch here, for the junior class, this is the simple way and simple method for you to answer the question. Draw the view, the front view, the end view, and the plan view. But for the upper class, the senior class, so far this question is not showing the same dimension for the both sides on this block. You can see that the dimension for the view, the front view here, we have 15 up here, then we have 25 up here for this side. So which means this side and this side is not equal. So for the senior class, you should have your two-way of drawing your principal plane, whereby the front and end, the front will be at the middle. You have the end view of the right side and end view of the left side, showing correctly the dimensions of the block. So but for the junior class, there's a way to do it. You draw it in a simple way, then you show the small hidden details that is inside the answer. Let's proceed. So you draw your line for your principal plane. For your principal plane, draw the line. You can tick it because the line should be thickened to separate your drawing. Should be thickened or thickened. Okay. So you draw a thick line. This is my horizontal plane and this is the vertical plane. You don't need to measure it. But normally I'm supposed to use my set square to draw the vertical line. If I'm using ruler or true, so you can use my set square for the vertical plane so that I will have a straight line there. A perfect straight line. So that I will have a perfect straight line. So you draw up. Make sure you are drawing thick line here because you want to show the difference with the drawings. Okay, so you can write. So far the front elevation is here. You can write front and you put hand here. The hand view is coming here, whereby the plan is coming here. Plan is coming here. So the next thing is I will draw a vertical line showing one of the side of the front view. Draw a vertical line showing one of the side of the front view. So if I should add the view for this line, this is the shape I see here. This shape here. This is the shape I see here. You can just sketch it out again. Sketch it out. This is what I see. And what do I need to measure from this place to this place? I need to measure 75 millimeter. From this place I need to measure 15 millimeter. From this place I need to measure 25 millimeter. You can see this one is the same thing. 25 millimeter. For this side I need to measure 25 millimeter also. 5 millimeter. Then this line up here I need to measure 15 millimeter. This side up I need to measure 15 millimeter. And this side I need to measure 25 millimeter. And here, what do I need to measure? So far it is the same size with this. So this place is also going to be 25 millimeter. So and this is my front view which I need to draw. Alright. So I first draw my line. Make your line very thin. Do you know the reason why I am drawing it to the other side? Because it's going to be the same thing. It should be on the same plane. And let me measure 75 millimeter here. So, it's not going to be okay. 75. Okay, this is 75. So just point your 75. So this is where 75 is going to be. You can as well draw your thin line down. Draw your thin line down like that. So from this place to this place is my 25 millimeter. I need a vertical line up here for the starting point here. I may need to clean that front elevation, but see, let's see what will happen. So you draw your line up. Millimeter. You draw your line up because all dimension is in millimeter. All dimensions are in millimeter. On my ruler here, I'm using centimeter ruler, so I'm measuring millimeter. Okay, what do I need to draw here? I will add 25 to 15, and that is 40. So I need 40 up here. So I'll place my 4 here. This 4 centimeter, which is also the same thing as 40 millimeter. So I dot it at the 0 here. So it's stopping here. So this, from this place to this place, that's 40 millimeter. So I don't need to do that first. I need to just draw 25 out of that. So from this place up, 25 millimeter. 25. So this is from 0. You can see this is 0. This is 20, which is 2 centimeter, and the 5 here. So this is 25. So I will tick out this side. Tick it out. Tick it out with my pencil for visible outline. That's the 25 I needed. Right. So from this place to this place, I also need 25 millimeter. According to my sketch here, from here to here, I need 25 millimeter. So I will measure 25 millimeter also here. So place it here. Measure 25 millimeter. That's 25 millimeter. Hop. What do I need? I need 15 hop. You can see this side, from this side to this side, that's 15. That's from this place to this place, that's 15 hop. So I will just draw 15 hop. So this is 5 here. This is 0. So that's what I need here. Okay. And the next thing is this side, which is this place here now. You know, I've been able to draw this side, this side, this side, which is also 25 millimeter. So I'll measure 25 millimeter. So you place it here and draw. Just draw your line. Just draw your line. That's 25 millimeter. Thick line. Okay. From this side to this side, that is where I need more than 15. Because here you can see that it indicates 15. And this one is longer than 15. But this side is 25. How will I know what this is? Already I have 15 here. I have 15. 15 plus 15, that is 30. 15 plus 15 is equals 30. So, and when I had 25 and 15, 25 plus 15 will give me 40. So, deduct 30 from 40. It will give you 10. When you deduct that from 40, it will give you 10. So what I need to do is just, this is 15. So this place is also going to be 25. So it's not 15 again, it's going to be 25. So I need 25 down. I come back here. From 0, I will measure 25. And this is 20, this is 5. So that's where my drawing will start. Stop. It's 25. Okay. So the next one here, this place from here to here should be 25. So let me just look at it. Can you see? Can you see that it is 25 from this place? Can you see? This place to this place is going to be 20, not 25. That's 20. 25 plus 25, 50. Okay, that should be 20. 25 should be now. 25 plus 25, 50. Should be 25. That is what I'm mentioning is not the 75. It's 75. So this should be 25. Why is it 25? Which means this is more than 25. Still 25. Yes, ma'am. This one is also 25. So it's going to be 25. So I measure my 25. Just draw a line and join your 25. Okay. So draw your line down. Join the last one, the bottom part of it. Join it. This is the front view. Can you see the front view? So all I need to do is just project. Just do a projection line. Your projection line can be a thin line. Just project. So I want to project this. I can clean up the excess line. I'm showing my construction line anyway, but I need to clean the excess line. Okay. Okay. So I want to take out this line. Okay. So the next thing is I project the line. All you need to do is just put your ruler here. So find the end elevation is also going the same way. So just, you can see I just put hidden line to give a little space here. So put for this place also, but this one is going to be hidden through hidden line or through. So let me just put it to set my lines. Okay, then place it on there. I think I need to clean this one. I write it later. So you have to put the indication, indicate the projection line there. Indicate the projection line. Okay, you can see that I have already projected this line, this line, this line, and this line, because it is a block. It is drawn together. You can't separate it. That is the reason why you have to use your projection line. All I need to do now is just draw a line down. Where's my set screw? Draw a line down. Draw a line down. And your projection line. Okay, so your ruler should set. Draw a line down. Okay, you can see my line. So this has indicated the end view. The end view, which is this side. The end view, which is this side. So which shape can I see? I can see this shape here. I can see this shape here. Just like a staircase, you cannot put your leg here when you are climbing a stair. You can only place your leg here and here. So this place I cannot place my leg is my end view here. So I'm drawing this shape and this shape out. The reason for this. So, but I need to measure. What will I measure? I will measure 50. 50. From this side to this side, that's 50. So I will measure 50. I will measure 50. Okay. So measure 50. This is 50. So from my line here to this place, that is 50. So I will take it out. I already have my line. Okay. That's 50. So hop here. This shape I want to draw, these two shapes I want to draw. From this place to this place, that's 25. And it is the same thing here. I already have it. So with that, I can just project this one, hop. Project this my line up here. Okay. Project the last line up. Let's draw an extension part of it. Make sure you draw well. Just draw your line up. Okay. Good. You have equal line there. So the next thing is join this line. Join this line here. Take it out. Join the last line up there also. You can see that it is all at the same line. All at the same line. Make it sure it's a. And take out this side also. Take it out. Take out. That is showing your visible outline. Showing visible outline. Alright. This one, you can see that this place, you just had your dashes, which is showing your hidden details. Add the dashes that is showing the hidden details. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Because when you look at the question, you can only see two shapes, the rectangular shape here and the rectangular shape here. But this place is more than this. Whereby when you look at the other side here, you can see that it is lower here than here, which means there is something here which you cannot see here. Assuming for the upper class, I'm drawing the left side, the end side of the block. We will show it. We will show the ends, the right side. You show the left end side. Okay, it remains the plan now. So for the plan, just project your line downward because it's a block and you don't need to separate it. It should be on the same line. It should be on the same line. So you can just draw your line down here. Can you see? And I already have this. So when you draw your line down, okay, can just join at the top here, just join straight like that. You already have your dimension, so just join the line and take it out. Join the line and take it out. Join the line and take it out. Okay, so according to the shape of the plan is where, if you are climbing a stair, where do you place your leg? You can place your leg here, that is the plan. You can place your leg here, that is the plan, the top of the brick, and this other side, which is the third side. And with that, I already have it from my front view. I already have the plan. So what I need to do is measure the sides, the side of the plan. How do I get the side of the plan? Is the length here. So you had 25 plus 15. Add 25, this 15, this 25. Add the two together. You have what we call 25 plus 15 is 40. So I'll just measure 40 here. Can you see from 0 to 4? That's where 40 is. This 40 to this side. You can take it out. For your visible outline. Then you come to this side also. You measure 40. Come to this side, measure 40. Good. Then you can take it out. Then you join at the bottom. Okay. So far I have my view. I can leave my construction line. Good. So what and what can I see now? This line I have to project it down. So this line, the line here, I have to project it down. So far you get your front elevation. You don't have problem with the plan and the end elevation. Just project the lines you can see there if it is correct. Can you see? So I'm bringing this one down. And see, I'm bringing it down. I'm bringing down. And this other one too. This line, I'm bringing it down. This line, bring it down. Bring this line down. Bring it down. Okay. So, and that is where I will just draw your line straight away. Just draw your line. Come here, draw your line. So you can take it out. You can see this step here of 25 millimeter, this step here of 25 millimeter, and the last step of 25 millimeter, which gives us 75 millimeter down. So you can just take it out. So I've taken out the visible outline like that. All I need to do now is look for the corner side, the 45-degree, and that is part of the draughtsmanship. If you do not put it, they will not penalize you, only that you will not be given credit for your draughtsmanship. All these are my construction line. I may decide to leave it, all these lines. I may decide to leave it, I may decide to clean it small. It's my construction line. So far, I have taken out my visible outline. And the person reading this will be able to see my visible outline. All other lines are my construction line for my award of draughtsmanship. So I look for 45-degree here. So you can just take your line, or you bisect. You can use your compass and bisect the angle. You know the angle already is 90-degree. And just bisect it. With your compass. If you don't want voila. Small line. A small line like that. Place it here. Draw your arc. Place it here. Not join it very well. Come back. Join it. Okay. So just take your ruler and look for your 45-degree here. Draw your line down. That's your 45-degree line. Draw it down. So all you need to do is just join this to your line, your 45-degree line. You may use dashes, you may use thin line, depending on which one do you want to use. You may use dashes, can you see? Then this one we have to go like this. You can use dashes, you can use thin line. Can you see? Then you bring this one down also, so it will join, which means it's a single block. Can you see? So you can join this also. You can join this. So you can join this one. Can you see? You can join it. To say that, let me take out this place over. Okay. So next thing is I will put my dimension. I'll put the dimensions. So what do I measure here? This should be everything from this place to this place. So put your thin line. Put your thin line. You have this one. You have this. Okay. So your dimension is, this one is 25 millimeter. So you write your 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter. If you add it together, everything is 70 millimeter. 75 millimeter, sorry. So you write your dimension here. Put your dimension. Those are draftsmanship. So you write 75 here. 75 millimeter. You can see it's the same. So for this side, write your dimension also. Put your dimension line. Put your dimension line here. And you see? Put your dimension line. And this is 50. I measure 50 millimeter here. So this place, what do I measure? This should be 25 millimeter. I measure 25 millimeter here. So you write 25. From this place to this place, that's 25 millimeter. You write 25 millimeter. Yeah. Then this place is also 25 millimeter. You write 25 millimeter here also. 25 millimeter. I think you are following. It will look somehow boring, but it's not boring. So when you love it, you get it. Love it, you get it. Love it, you get it. This 25 millimeter. Also, put your dimension up here. Your dimension up. Dimension. Your dimension. You have your 25 millimeter. So all I need to dimension, put dimension here. So when I put my dimension, it's covering this. So this, I'll put the dimension here. So when my question say only showing the major dimensions, major ones, the ones they show me here, they are the major dimensions I will show. So I may not likely show you the dimension for this hidden detail, but you can calculate it. Assuming the question asks you to calculate that hidden details, you can calculate the dimension. But my question says show only the major dimensions. So this one, the major dimensions. So this place I have 15 millimeter. So you write it 15 millimeter. And from this place to this place is we have 25 plus 30. That's 40. 40 from 15, that's 25. So this place is 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter. So if you have to deduct it, this hidden details is going to give you just 10 millimeter. That's your answer. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And look at it. Very neat. My draftsmanship. Collect my score, my credit award for the draftsmanship. Try to like this video. Put a thumb up like. Share with your friends, families. And make a comment. Thanks for watching. Meet you next time for the objective answers. Bye.